In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to fix heating issues on your air fryer. Firstly, the positioning of the air fryer is something to consider. Check that the vents are not blocked or covered and allow plenty of clearance around the appliance. This allows sufficient airflow and means the appliance can operate effectively. You must also ensure the basket is correctly inserted. For most air fryers, if the basket is not fully inserted securely, then the heat will cut out automatically. This can be easily fixed by inserting fully. Whilst it is fine to open the basket to turn over food, you should also be sure not to open the basket too frequently during operation, as it can mean the basket loses heat. This can extend the overall cooking time for the food compared to the suggested cooking time. You should also ensure all cooking instructions are followed. If the temperature is set too low or the timings are incorrect, it may give the effect there is no heat, as it is not appropriate for the food being cooked. To resolve this, adjust the correct cooking temperature and cooking times in line with any recipes being followed. If there is still no heat, try an alternative mains plug socket to check it is not the plug socket causing the issue. For more information on your air fryer, please check the user manual or visit argos-support.co.uk.